What's going on, guys? Today is Wednesday, September 24th, 2025, and I'll be showing you the two trades I ended up taking today that lost me, and insert P&L, $930, because if you add up the two numbers together. I took one on ES and one on NQ, and I'll just show you guys right now. So let's get right into it. Starting off, 4-hour time frame. We have... Look, we are now, I'm gonna just go back into the, you know what, actually, give me a second. Let me do this. Okay. Let me go in replay mode. So I'm just gonna give you guys an overall analysis and then we'll get right into it. So starting off pre-market, okay, what do I see? In the overnight session, this huge 4-hour fair value gap got inversed, and price on the higher time frame started showing signs that it wanted to come down and make a higher time frame reversal. So I'm talking, daily reversal, take out all, eventually maybe take out all of these lows, but the higher time frames, we were on a, aggressive bull run, and now it's given us a little bit of a pullback. So in this case, I will be usually expecting the trend of the higher time frame. So in this case, shorts. All right. So then going on to the 1-hour time frame. Here after we make that sharp move lower, we start getting legs back up higher here. I'm gonna let price play out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Give us the move. This is now Asian session. Okay, Asian session, right? Obviously, we're making the leg back up. We're coming up. We're rebalancing to this equilibrium of the range. Nice. And then we keep going. Okay, now we're at market open. We've rebalanced. So here, what I am expecting, looking at the 1-hour time frame, I want to see their price come up, give us a final sweep, or if London sweeping out Asian high was the hour manipulation, then I would just want to see price come down. But the draws on liquidity were London lows, Asian lows, and these swing 1-hour and 4-hour lows down here. This was my strong draw on liquidity for the day that I knew was going to get hit. Because first up, it's hard to be bullish when, the draws just aren't so much to the upside. And then, it's much easier to be bearish when I see all of these, all these confluences down here. So I would say today it was a more clear bias day. Now, I still need to react off of what I see. So let's get right into it, right? On the 15-minute time frame, okay, let me just go to the market open. All right, so market opens, and right here, we don't take it out here. Okay. So I would like I would have liked to see this get hit, but it did not. And so pretty much the market opened and just went all the way down, right? In this leg here, there's nothing for me to catch. So I'm patient. I'm waiting to see what the market tells me. And if I see something, I take it. If not, I don't. So I'm not going to get greedy or be like, I missed out on any move just because it moved, because here, there's no internal price action for me to take anything. And it's this, I just switched to the same one. Okay, and then, yeah, it's the same thing here. We did also sort of make an SMT technically off these highs. Actually, did we? No, we didn't. But either way, I wasn't looking at that. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, we have the buy set, and I'm just waiting. You know what I'm saying? So essentially, again, when I see this, I'm waiting. But ideally, when something like this happens, you have two scenarios. Either price floods so much that it comes down, just instantly takes out this low, delivers to it right away. Then I try and catch the small retrace to the upside, or midway through the lower, or something. I wait for a pullback, and then I try and catch the retrace onto this. So, but again, I need to see what it gives me in order to determine what I'm doing. So then, right, whatever, price plays out, just keep, sorry, I don't know why it's so slow. It just keeps going lower, Okay, so here it's gone all the way down. We have unfilled 15-minute fair value gap. Right here, we have this is an unfilled 15-minute. This is in, we have an unfilled 5-minute up here. That was too far up. We have an unfilled 5-minute here. So, just a lot of like instant price action here, a lot of unfilled orders, right? So I'm waiting for the pullback here. Now, I'm telling you, people, like, some people would have thought that, like, okay, Asian low maybe would have been the point of reversal, so they probably got faked out and tried to take a longs here, but it has to, but when we leave out, right, when we leave out these swing lows, which is like, but keep in mind, this is like multiple equal lows, because we have relative equal low here, relative equal low here, and relative equal low here. So these are like just pretty much like 3 strong high time frame swing relative equal lows that like, this is so strong that price is going to come down and take this out. So I was looking for the retrace move, and let me get right into why I took my first trade, which happened right here. So I saw price came up, filled this 5-minute fair value gap. From here, I was waiting for this. I saw this nice closure down here, put my stops at this high, I entered right there. This is the exact fill that I got in. And then I was targeting just those lows in there. I was very confident. And the reason I got in, like, this trade was a little bit risky and it was a little bit early. But the reason I got in is because usually when something like this happens, when we have such a strong like form of liquidity, right? We're gonna do like a small pullback, and then we're just gonna deliver instantly. Like, I've seen this happen so many times before. So like, obviously the better entry would have been waiting for the resweep of this high, maybe making an SMT, stuff like that. But here I wanted to just be in a trade, light risk, not because I got emotional, but just because like you have to play this quick. Like, you got to play this quick, right? You have to be expecting of this price action. So then moving forward, we got stopped out. I got stopped out literally instantly. I don't know what this candle was, but it's okay though, because I was light risk and I was fine, entering another trade. In fact, I saw this as even higher confidence for us going lower, because it made it so that on ES we now finally filled this 5-minute fair value gap, because previously we hadn't. As you guys see, we hadn't touched it yet. And we made, I believe we also made a bearish SMT, right? Yeah. We even made a bearish SMT off of these lows, right? So now we had our SMT, we had everything. I was ready. Honestly, A+ setup, because once I see price go up this much, creates this fair value gap, and then inverses it, I'm like, okay, a lot of buyers probably got in right here, and now they're going to get liquidated instantly, right? Because we're going to deliver fast, right? No. Because, the ideal entry was, or actually, yeah, I got in right here. Kind of a bad fill, it's whatever. Stops up there, pretty standard. I was expecting this to hit. I was pretty confident. I was especially confident on these lows, these equal lows getting hit. And price just chopped so, like, literally after this point, just straight chopped, stopped me out, went up again, made another bearish SMT, chop. Like, literally, I don't even know what this is, but. And yeah, and then ended up fully hitting the take profit, which was this low down here and this low down here on ES. So got stopped out here, right, by this much. And then price ended up fully coming down and delivering to my lows. I had one take profit here, one and only take profit. And honestly, my break even, I don't even think I was considering that, because I didn't know about having a break even, because like, just I don't know, I was just instantly expecting the price to hit there. Like, I didn't even think I needed that. But yeah, so, and it's pretty unfortunate, because if I had taken the exact same second setup on NQ instead of ES, which is this right here, I put my stops up there, same exact thing, I would have hit the trade. I would have hit full TP, because I'm telling you, I wouldn't put break even on this, because like, especially after I'm in this trade and I see price shopping so much, I just have my stop loss up there and this TP, because I'd be very confident on it getting hit. So, and yeah, NQ would have played out. ES also played out. It just for some reason went higher, and I guess went up to fill this 15-minute fair value gap, but I don't know, because NQ had filled the 15-minute right here. Like, NQ filled it here. And then for ES, it took like a while to do that. I don't know, just sideways price action. But overall, I think I took very good trades. Like, genuinely, even if I lost, I really think I did. And it ended up playing out. And then other than that, what else? trying to think of what to say here. Honestly, I don't really know what to say. Oh yeah, I like some people. Yeah, you might have like tried tried catching the retrace, but that did not happen because I told you this was the swing low. We were gonna come down and hit this low, and yeah, so pretty unfortunate day. But again, that literally does not mean anything. Yeah, honestly, if you guys want to watch me, as I've said, live trader every single day, give you my market analysis every day. Like you have any questions, like specific questions, trader reviews, all of that, join the link in the description. Go watch me on my go watch me on my other socials if you want to watch more of my content. And then yeah, it's fine, just another losing day, but it's honestly it's part of the like when you like winner percentage, it's like it's just part of the percentage days that we lose, like doesn't mean anything. And so yeah, it's fine because it's if you make it back and you overall through following your rules and your psychology and all that end up making it all back and more, it's just part of how trading works. You have to higher highs, higher lows, all that stuff. But yeah, see you guys in the next trade recap. I don't know when that will be, maybe tomorrow, maybe not. Yeah, I'm out.